Are you stuck in a dead-end life? Are you sick and tired of not knowing what to do? Isn't it time to start living the life you want? Come join us for an event that you will never forget.
I also didn't feel that I can draw something like that. With this, I feel more motivated, inspired, and actually a sense of clarity of what I need to do moving next. I want to spread more peace, love, gratitude, be thankful, and show gratitude to many things around, to people and things around. I want to contribute back and then contribute back to the community and the society. To everyone who needs clarity in your life, if you're lost or you need direction for your goals, I recommend this course. Rainy is very patient, encouraging, and she provided a lot of insights and good clarity for me to come up with my goals in this life vision workshop. The biggest investment in life is actually to invest on yourself. If you wait longer, sometimes when you're lost or you're not clear of what you want to do, it costs even more. So by coming to this course, it gives you a clearer direction. To invest in yourself, you actually get clarity to achieve your goals and what you want in life.
Come for this workshop to experience yourself, and you will thank Rainy, and in fact thank yourself for this transformation that you're about to see in the coming days of your life.